Wondering what to do after successful implementation of Dynamics CRM? How about motivating your teams to achieve more? Your search for the right motivation tool for Dynamics CRM ends here. User Gamification Module, the perfect gamification solution to boost your team productivity and Dynamics CRM user adoption. Let's start a demo to see how User Gamification Module works. User Gamification Module ships with different dashboards. Game Board Personal shows you complete details of the games you are a part of. Select a particular game to view and compare individual scores of participating players. Games listed will show details like name of the game, game type, period, or game span, and status of the game, flagged in different colors. To view this dashboard, user must have game player security role. Game Board Stats shows all the games being played in the organization and their details. This dashboard enables higher authorities to view details of all games running in the organization at a glance. To view this dashboard, the user must have Game Viewer Security role. Game Manager Leaderboard enables game managers or owners to quickly review the games that they own. To view this dashboard, the user must have Game Manager Security role. Gaming Profile gives the illustrated view of all the games played by the logged-in user and their performance. Here you can see total points earned by the user in all games combined, and you can also see the badges earned in all the games. Apart from this, you can also see the games you are a part of. Game Board Available Games will list all the games the user is not a part of. You can join the game by clicking on the Join button. Once you click on this button, a mail is sent to the owner of the game from the logged-in user, requesting to join the game. Game Board Personal Summary allows you to customize your own leaderboard to view top 5 players of the games you are a part of. You can view up to 4 to 6 games, depending on the type of the dashboard. To view this dashboard, the user must have Game Player Security role. Now let us see how you can view and manage active games. Let us open an active game. Let us explore the game sections present in the form. Game Details section contains the information like name of the game, start date and end date, the span for which you want the game to run, game type, user or individual game, or team game. Game Action section allows you to configure the points users would get on performing defined actions against defined entities. You can also define negative points. Players and Badges section allows game managers and system administrators to add users or team. Points earned by user or team are automatically updated. You can define game badges to be awarded and points required to earn that badge. Points Earned section shows points earned by every single user for every single action performed. Badges Earned section shows badges earned by users. Let us create a new game and explore some more functionality of User Gamification Module. To create a new game, click on New. Enter a unique name for your game. Enter a start date. This will be the starting date for your game span. Now enter end date. The start and end dates define the period for which the game will run. Game type define whether you want the game to be played between users or between teams. Click on Save. More game option appears after you save the game. Users can copy entire game configuration using Copy Game button. Game configuration comprising game actions and game badges will be copied. One can choose whether to copy game players or not. You can click on Schedule button to schedule the game. Game will start on the defined start date. In Game Action attribute, you can configure or set the points the associated users would get on performing defined actions against defined entities. Click on Add, and define the entity, action and points to be rewarded to the user for that action. Click on Save, to save the game action record. Similarly, You can add user or teams in the player and badges attribute. You can define game badges to be rewarded, enter details like game badge name and the score for which the badge will be rewarded to the user. You can also change the badge image to the ones provided or a custom image. Select the image web resource, click on OK to save the selected badge image. Click on Schedule button to schedule the game. Click on the Redesign button if you wish to redesign the game. Once configured, activities of the users will be tracked. Points and badges will be rewarded based on defined parameters. If you wish to pause the game, click on the timeout button. During this interval, stage will be timeout, and no tracking of actions will be done. You can resume the game by using the resume button. Contact us on crm@inogic.com for a personalized demo. For regular updates on our products and services, follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook.